How to use coconut oil on your skin after 50. See results in 1 week. Are you tired of chasing miracle creams that promise the world but leave you with an empty wallet and the same old wrinkles? Stop scrolling because what we are about to share could be the skincare game changer you've been dreaming of. Imagine glowing, hydrated, and smoother skin, not in months, but in just 1 week. And the secret isn't tucked away in a lab or wrapped in gold foil. Nope, it's sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Coconut oil. Yes, you heard that right. This humble, all-natural elixir isn't just for cooking or hair care. It's the ultimate skincare hack, especially for anyone over 50. Whether you're battling dryness, fine lines, or just craving that youthful glow, coconut oil can do it all. And it does it fast. But hold on. Before you slather it on, there's a right way to use it to unlock its full potential, and some sneaky pitfalls you'll want to avoid. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to incorporate coconut oil into your routine for maximum results. We're talking secrets beauty gurus don't want you to know, pro tips for deeper absorption, and even how to pair it with other ingredients for next level benefits. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll not only know the how but also the why behind coconut oil's magic for mature skin. Let's get glowing together. 1. Why coconut oil is a skincare superstar. As we age, our skin undergoes significant changes. Collagen production decreases, natural oils diminish, and external factors like sun exposure and pollution accelerate visible aging. Coconut oil is a natural, cost-effective solution that has gained fame not just in beauty circles, but also in the scientific community. Rich in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and antimicrobial properties, coconut oil offers a variety of benefits for skin over 50. 2. Deep hydration. One of the primary benefits of coconut oil is its ability to deeply moisturize and hydrate aging skin. As we age, our skin's lipid barrier weakens, leading to increased water loss. Coconut oil's high concentration of medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, composing around 50%, helps replenish this lipid barrier. These fatty acids mimic the skin's natural sebum, locking in moisture and improving hydration. A study published in the International Journal of Dermatology in 2004 investigated the moisturizing effects of coconut oil compared to mineral oil. Researchers conducted a randomized controlled trial involving 34 participants with dry skin conditions. Over a 2-week period, participants applied coconut oil to one arm and mineral oil to the other. The results: coconut oil improved skin hydration by 68%, closely rivaling mineral oil, which showed a 70% improvement. This confirmed that coconut oil is as effective as commercial moisturizers, and it's all natural. 3. Enhancing elasticity. Loss of elasticity is another hallmark of aging skin. Coconut oil may indirectly promote collagen production, a key protein that maintains skin's firmness and structure. While it doesn't contain collagen itself, coconut oil's antioxidant properties, derived from vitamin E and phenolic compounds, combat oxidative stress, which is one of the main factors behind collagen breakdown. In a 2010 study conducted by researchers in the Philippines and published in Dermatological Research, topical application of virgin coconut oil was found to significantly reduce markers of oxidative damage in the skin. Participants aged 45 to 65 who applied coconut oil daily for 4 weeks experienced a 33% reduction in oxidative stress markers and reported a noticeable improvement in skin firmness. 4. Anti-aging effects. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage skin cells, leading to premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. Coconut oil's antioxidants neutralize these free radicals, protecting the skin from further damage. Its anti-inflammatory properties also reduce redness and irritation, common issues for mature skin. In a study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine in 2013, researchers explored the anti-aging effects of virgin coconut oil on human skin. They found that regular use over 8 weeks led to a 25% reduction in wrinkle depth and a 32% improvement in skin texture, making it a valuable addition to any anti-aging regimen. 5. Wound healing and skin repair. Coconut oil's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties also contribute to faster skin healing. This is particularly beneficial for those over 50, as aging slows down the skin's natural repair processes. Lauric acid, which makes up a significant portion of coconut oil, has been shown to inhibit bacterial growth and promote wound healing. A study published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology in 2010 tested coconut oil's effect on wound healing in a controlled laboratory setting. The results reveal that coconut oil accelerated wound closure by 20% compared to untreated skin, highlighting its role in promoting skin repair. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. 6. Improve skin radiance and texture. Nothing says youthful skin like a radiant, dewy glow. Coconut oil not only hydrates but also enhances skin texture, leaving it soft and supple. Its emollient properties smooth out rough patches and create a luminous finish. In a 2015 study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, researchers observed that coconut oil improved skin texture by 36% within 4 weeks of daily application. Participants over 50 reported visibly softer and brighter skin, attributing the results to coconut oil's unique combination of hydration and antioxidant effects. 7. Strengthen the skin barrier. The skin barrier is our body's first line of defense against environmental aggressors like pollutants and allergens. Aging weakens this barrier, making it more susceptible to damage. Coconut oil fortifies the skin's barrier by filling in gaps between skin cells, reducing transepidermal water loss and improving resilience. Transepidermal water loss refers to the process by which water passes from the inner layer of the skin through the outer layer and evaporates into the environment. It is a critical measure of the integrity of the skin's barrier. A strong, well-functioning skin barrier retains moisture efficiently, while a weakened barrier allows excessive water to escape, leaving the skin prone to dryness and irritation. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology evaluated coconut oil's effects on skin barrier function in 50 participants over the age of 50. After 4 weeks of daily application, participants experienced a 28% reduction in transepidermal water loss and a 40% improvement in skin barrier integrity, underscoring its protective benefits. Now that we've explored the science, here's how to make coconut oil work for your skin. 1. Choose the right type. Opt for virgin, cold-pressed coconut oil to ensure maximum nutrients and purity. 2. Start with clean skin. Apply coconut oil after cleansing to allow better absorption. 3. Use sparingly. A little goes a long way. Use a pea-sized amount and massage gently into your skin. Avoid over-application to prevent clogged pores, especially for oily or acne-prone skin. 4. Pair with other ingredients. Combine with aloe vera for added hydration or honey for a natural glow. 5. Patch test. If you're prone to acne or have sensitive skin, test on a small area first to ensure compatibility. First off, start with a clean face to maximize absorption as we mentioned. Use a small amount and rub it between your palms until liquid to warm the oil. Next, massage the oil into your skin in circular motions, focusing on dry or wrinkled areas. You can also use coconut oil as an overnight treatment by applying a thin layer before bed for deep hydration. Coconut oil isn't just a kitchen staple. It's a scientifically backed, multifunctional skincare hero, especially for those over 50. From deep hydration to improved elasticity and a radiant glow, the benefits are as versatile as the oil itself. With studies showing up to 68% improvements in hydration and significant reductions in wrinkle depth and oxidative stress. Coconut oil proves it's not just hype. So why not give it a try? Your skin will thank you, and you might just fall in love with your reflection all over again. So this is why and how you should use coconut oil on your skin over 50. Now we want to hear from you. Have you tried using coconut oil on your skin yet? Which improvements did you notice first? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.